Good day, sir, or good day to you, ma. Guess you're doing great and you're also staying safe. This is Adorable Tunla from Notify Information Center. So, this is actually the video that will guide us through how we will build our school's website in 45 minutes. And as part of the requirement and criteria to be eligible for the G Suite for Education, Google expects you to have a functional website. And since I'm actually helping schools, and I know this is actually one of the major criteria. So I want to teach us on how we can achieve this in the most efficient way, and will actually move us forward. So the kind of website I'm looking at is let's go. Let me show you something here. So basically, I'm looking at a website that will look like this. You know, that will look all. But before I come back to this, let me take us through this document. Some of us must have gone through it. So this is how we will work on it. How to build your school's website in 45 minutes. So thank you for joining us on this journey. This guide is meant to provide you with the step-by-step information on how you will be building your school's website. This process is very important because the Google for Education approving teams are expecting your school to be online and have a functional website as part of the eligibility criteria for qualifying for the free G Suite for Education or Google for Education, as the case may be. However, we will also like to suggest and recommend that you should watch and practice alongside the videos. This method is assuming the learn by doing approach to training and knowledge delivery. We believe that after learning has been satisfied or attained, then you can improvise and change things to suit your preferences and possibly unique brandings or customizations. Thank you and wishing you a smooth experience on the journey. So this will be good. So what are the requirements you need to be comfortable on this journey? One, no prior knowledge of website design is required. This training is assuming that this is your first time of learning how to design a website. You will need a computer with an internet facility. You will also be using a Google account, for example, webmaster at notifyacademy.se.ng. And lastly, your willingness to follow through the learning curve and also practice alongside. So looking at the outline of things we'll be learning before I show us. So this will be the outline. Yeah, I will introduce us, to sites. We will be using Google Sites to design and publish this website. So, we'll learn how the home page is arrived at, about page. You're gonna have links here, so no problem. At the time of this recording, yeah, the links, yeah, are not yet ready, but it's fine. So academic calendar, classroom, everything, even analytics, and even how it will work with your customized URL, like www. Let's say notifyacademy .se.ng, publishing the site, double checking that everything works, URL path for submission. I'm also going to teach us how to create a small portal for your admission application. And in a way too, I thought, I'll add this additional, since, we have to be reducing so many physical distance. So I was just thinking about, if, let's say, for example, your school is about to sell admission forms, how will you do that? The conventional way, maybe that you've been using, is maybe you give account numbers to people. Either they send money that they transfer, or they go physically to the bank. But this I thought of it later. So I will also teach us how you can use the Paystack system in Nigeria. Here it works very well. That you could use for your sale form for your school. Everything comes and people can fill. And also there'll be like a feedback survey that I want to know how the video went through and all. Of course, we're gonna have some resources and assets. There'll be a folder where we'll have pictures that will make the site look so nice and attractive, and also social media icons, folder. So let me move to the site. So basically, this is how the site will look, right? You have your school logo here. You're gonna have those links here, and each one of them you click, everything happens. And for admission, you could have something that flags here, and when people click, it takes them to the portal where people can fill the form. You're gonna learn how to have something like this. You could click, move around and all. You could play with the pictures and all. Yeah, then you can have like your welcome notes down here and just put it here. Yeah, basically. Then also you can have things like some nice pictures here, like a divider. Then then you have some text here basically. Then also I'll show us how to embed video. Like this video is from YouTube. Let me play. Let's see. You can see that it loads.
Google Business Groups are communities of entrepreneurs who are interested in learning.
So yeah, basically. So yeah. So we'll put text here, and also beneath we're gonna put our address here. Maybe phone numbers, so that people online can easily contact us, and also the email that you can be reached on. And we're gonna end with having a cute footer at the base and everything, and also how you're going to link your social media icons, just like a standard website. Yes, and also this stuff here is actually how friendly your site is. The first one here means mobile friendly. So if I click this now, it moves to the mobile version of the website, just to see how slick it is. And you can move up. So if people are using either an Android phone or an iPhone to view the website, it will still load the same way professionally. So it's not like it works standard, basically. And also you can leave the mobile view and also move into like the tablet view. So when I hit it, this is how it's going to look on the tab. Let me scroll down. You can see it's still as clean, and not like so many things are breaking. So it shows that you're gonna have a good website. And all of the things you have here, you automatically creates like like a drop down for you, so that everything looks clean basically. And of course how it looks on a large screen, basically, how it looks. Then since I said we're using sites, so let me exit from this view and move on to the system itself. So this is where we're going to be designing our site. We're going to learn how to use all of the tools here, how we're going to insert things. Let me scroll down. So this is where we're going to be doing everything. Basically we'll do it from scratch, right? And of course what all of these things mean. We're going to learn everything, and at the same time we're going to have create pages and also links, what will help us do that. And also themes. Themes, in case you want the website to look like your school's branding. So all of these, yes, we'll be able to guide you through how you can achieve that. Then also how you can publish the site. So if you want to publish now, all of the things that you go through, to publish the site, for search engine and the rest. And also basically, for let's say for settings, here now we're going to how you want your navigation, basically, the branding, custom URLs, even yes, Google Analytics, how to be able to know the kind of people that come to your website, the announcement banner and so on. So it's going to really be like a standard site and all. And also how you can share with people, so you can decide to share the website with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people, or even 100, depending, so it's just something that I know that will give us value, moving forward. And so I hope and I know that it will be really informative. So thank you very much, and see you on the next video.